Imagine a future where the human body can be upgraded, enhanced, and even reinvented through biotechnology. In the last few decades, this once sci-fi fantasy has begun materializing into reality, reshaping our understanding of life and human potential. But how did we get here? The roots of biotechnology trace back centuries, with early humans experimenting with fermentation and selective breeding. However, biotechnology as we know it took form in the 1970s. A monumental milestone occurred in 1973 when Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen developed genetic engineering techniques to manipulate DNA for the first time. This groundbreaking discovery set the stage for an industry that would grow to shape medicine, agriculture, and eventually human enhancement. Biotechnology continued evolving through the 1980s and 1990s, with significant advances such as the production of synthetic insulin and other life-saving drugs. The launch of the Human Genome Project in 1990 propelled biotech forward, giving scientists unprecedented insight into the human blueprint. By 2003, the human genome was fully mapped, a momentous achievement that would redefine our approach to treating and even preventing disease. The new millennium brought a new level of control over human biology. Perhaps the most transformative breakthrough came with CRISPR, a genetic editing tool discovered in 2012. By enabling precise DNA modifications, CRISPR unlocked possibilities for eradicating genetic diseases and enhancing human traits. This revolutionary technology has fueled hopes of curing conditions once thought to be untouchable. At the same time, other innovations in bioengineering accelerated human augmentation. The development of brain-machine interfaces, BMIs, has allowed for direct communication between the human brain and machines, creating possibilities for treating neurological disorders and even augmenting human capabilities. Today, the biotechnology and human augmentation landscape is populated by pioneering companies and institutions pushing the boundaries of science and ethics. Healthcare and pharmaceuticals is the largest and most well-known sector. Genentech is one of the first biotech companies, known for pioneering synthetic insulin and various cancer treatments. The company has set the standard in genetic-based therapies. Coming in strong is Neuralink. Elon Musk's Neuralink focuses on creating implantable brain-machine interfaces. The company's goal is ambitious, which is to treat neurological conditions and, eventually, augment human cognition. The company has made significant strides with animal testing and seek to begin human trials soon. Another notable mention is CRISPR Therapeutics. This company directly applies CRISPR technology to develop gene therapies for blood disorders and cancers. By using gene editing, CRISPR Therapeutics aims to eliminate diseases at their genetic root. Although Boston Dynamics, while not exclusively a biotech company, has contributed to human augmentation by developing advanced robotics with applications for enhancing physical abilities. Their work in exoskeletons is a glimpse into a future where humans and robots may work in seamless collaboration. Biotechnology has also spread its tentacles to other sectors. For example, in agriculture, drought-resistant crops are being developed. This sector is working on creating plants that can withstand tough conditions and produce higher yields. On the industrial front, this sector is using living cells like bacteria to produce chemicals, plastics, and even fabrics. Meanwhile, environmental biotechnology is helping to clean up our planet. From oil spill cleanup to reducing industrial waste, this sector is finding biological solutions to environmental problems. As biotechnology advances, so too do the ethical questions it raises. Who should have access to genetic enhancements? Will augmentation increase social divides between those who can afford it and those who cannot? And what are the unforeseen risks of altering the human genome? Many argue that human augmentation could exacerbate inequality, creating a world divided not only by wealth, but by physical and cognitive abilities. Others see it as an opportunity to transcend human limitations, addressing disabilities and enhancing life for all. These questions force us to confront what it means to be human and who decides the limits. Across the globe, lawmakers are scrambling to put boundaries on biotech. Europe has already made brain data privacy a law, and the FDA is working overtime to keep gene editing in check. But the real question is, can these laws keep up with tech? From curing diseases to enhancing human abilities, Biotechnology and human augmentation are redefining the possible. But as we venture into this unknown, we must proceed with caution, balancing innovation with ethics. The decisions we make today will shape humanity's future for generations to come.
Join us for another insightful episode on Tuesday. Thank you for watching.